A concerning incident has occurred at the famous Joke Falls. A massive rock has fallen from Raja Falls, one of the main section of Joke Falls. This incident happened yesterday evening in the Sagara Taluk region of Shimoga district. It is suspected that due to extreme heat, cracks formed inside the rock, causing it to break and fall like a blast. A loud sound was heard as a rock fell, shocking nearby people. The rock reportedly fell about 150 down in the garage, and fortunately, no casualties have been reported. But tourists are now anxious following this incident. There is need to strengthen safety measure around the falls. Authorities are likely issue warning advertising the tourist remains.
Bismillah.